Hi, my name is Ken Carroll. I'm one of the co-founders of Praxis Language, and I'm here today to tell you something about the Praxis Language personalized learning system. Due to the internet, the way we learn is changing radically. Traditionally, most of our learning was formal and it happened within institutions. But these days, a lot of our learning is migrating out of the institutions and onto the net. So, what happens when learning migrates onto the internet? Well, a lot happens. Everything changes, in fact. And what we see are new tools, and new ways of teaching, and of course, new ways of learning. The Praxis Language PLS, the personalized learning system, is an example of learning and teaching and the tools that have migrated onto the internet. So if you are using a Praxis Language product, such as Chinese Pod or Spanish Pod, you are using the PLS. The Praxis Language PLS has three parts. The first part is the learning media. Those are the lessons themselves. The second part is the open community, the other users. And the third part is the personalization. That means the way that you can personally configure the service to suit your own needs. So let's take a look at how the Praxis Language PLS works in practice. Okay, let's say that you are a user of a Praxis Language PLS. You have the option to go into the archive of hundreds of lessons, or you may receive your lessons in a daily RSS feed. You'll see that community forms around each lesson each day. Each lesson, in fact, has its own discussion, and you can join in that discussion by asking questions or making comments. Now, you'll also see that there are many ways that you can configure the lessons and configure the way you interact with the community, whether that involves using a PC, a laptop, an iPod, or a mobile phone. You have many ways with which to personalize and consume the lessons according to your own needs. Okay, so this was a very brief overview of the Praxis Language PLS and how a personalized learning system can help you to effectively learn a language. I hope you can see clearly here how the three elements of the PLS work together in order to help you to do that. So stay tuned here for more information about the Praxis Language PLS.